Number 1. 2002 Ford F-150, price $6,500, powered by a 5.4L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 268,000 miles and features a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. The truck is gasoline-powered and offers the practicality of a 4-door cab combined with the capability of a 4x4 drivetrain. It has received a number of recent maintenance and repair updates, including a new battery installed last year, new brake pads, and turned rotors. After developing a rough running issue, the truck was also fitted with new spark plugs and coil packs to address the problem. The rear differential pinion shaft seal has been replaced as well. The F-150 also recently received a brand new AC compressor, which was installed just last week, providing an important update to the truck's climate system. It currently does not leak oil or other fluids, adding to its overall usability. For a more aggressive look and stance, the truck is equipped with AMP 35 by 12.50 tires that were installed last year. Number 2. 2002 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900, with 210,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, a gray exterior, and a gray interior. It is powered by a dependable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine. Everything works as it should, including the ice-cold air conditioning, making it a comfortable and capable truck for both everyday driving and longer trips. The truck also comes with a clean Arizona title. This Sierra has been very well cared for throughout its life, with a detailed maintenance history and service records available. It has recently completed several important maintenance items, including installing new spark plugs and wires, new hoses and belts, a new water pump, and a new radiator. This truck offers a solid combination of reliability, capability, and comfort. Number 3. 1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,900. It has been driven just 67,000 miles and is finished in a classic green exterior with a clean tan interior. It is powered by a dependable 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it a straightforward and enjoyable driving experience. The truck runs and drives great, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The Tacoma is also equipped with cold air conditioning, providing comfortable driving during warm weather. This truck presents a great opportunity for someone looking for a solid, reliable, and well-maintained pickup with plenty of classic character. Number 4. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $6,995. It has 173,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a green exterior, and a tan interior, with a gasoline-powered engine. This truck is ready for work and has been well maintained by its one and only owner. It comes with a clean title and excellent service records, showing that it has received consistent care throughout its life. The truck has a clean bed, no rust, and a solid overall condition, making it a dependable and practical choice for work or everyday use. Its straightforward setup and well-documented maintenance history make it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable Ford Ranger. Number 5. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,400. The truck is a dependable and practical truck that is ready for work, daily driving, or general use. It has 193,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. The truck features a clean tan exterior paired with a tan interior, and its rust-free body adds to its overall appeal and durability. It is also fitted with new tires, making it ready to hit the road with confidence. Inside, the truck remains clean and well cared for, while the cold AC provides plenty of comfort during warmer weather. The 1991 Chevrolet 1500 is described as being in good overall condition with everything working well, making it a great daily driver as well as a capable work truck. With its solid condition, clean appearance, new tires, cold AC, and rust-free body, it offers a practical combination of reliability, comfort, and utility. Number 6. 2001 Ford F-150, price $5,500. Finished in red with a gray interior and is powered by the well-regarded 5.4L gasoline V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 239,000 miles, with most of the mileage accumulated on the freeway during long commutes. The truck has received extensive major maintenance, including transmission service, differential and transfer case fluid changes, coolant and brake fluid replacement, power steering service, new spark plugs and coils, a water pump, thermostat, timing chains, U-joints, and wheel bearings. The Lariat Edition features a raised suspension, color-keyed fender flares, running boards, a tow package, ice-cold air conditioning, cruise control, a bed liner, and a color-matched fiberglass bed cover. It is said to look and run just as it did when it was new, with no exaggeration. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, and its registration is valid through May 2027. Number 7. 1981 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. It has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-speed setup. It features an attractive orange exterior complemented by a clean black interior. The truck runs and drives well, providing a solid combination of classic Chevrolet styling and dependable performance. It also comes equipped with good tires, making it ready for regular driving and enjoyment. Cosmetically, the truck presents well for its age, with a clean interior and exterior overall. There is some rust around the rocker panels, but it is not considered excessive or severe. One of its standout details is its very shiny catalytic converter, which adds to the truck's overall presentation. This 1981 Chevrolet 3500 is a solid classic pickup with plenty of character. Number 8. 1988 Toyota pickup, price $7,800. The truck is a legendary and highly regarded classic truck known for its durability, reliability, and straightforward mechanical design. This example has been driven 206,000 miles and is powered by Toyota's dependable 22 or gasoline engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission with reverse. It features the desirable long bed configuration, power steering, and air conditioning, making it both practical and comfortable for everyday driving. The truck is finished in blue with a matching blue interior and retains its original paint, giving it an authentic vintage appearance and preserving much of its original character. The combination of the proven 22R engine, 5-speed manual transmission, long bed, power steering, and air conditioning makes it a versatile classic pickup with plenty of practical appeal. With its original paint and traditional Toyota styling, the truck maintains the character that has made these pickups so popular among enthusiasts. With 206,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly seen plenty of use, yet it continues to deliver the dependable driving experience for which the Toyota pickup is well known. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has 197,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior, blue interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. The truck runs and drives and has received a number of recent maintenance items, including new spark plugs, a distributor cap and rotor, air filter, fuel filter, ignition switch, and headlights. The vacuum system has also been checked and addressed as needed, along with general maintenance and upkeep. The truck also comes with a new grille, new exterior door handles and taillights that are still in the boxes, as well as a bed toolbox. While it runs and drives, it currently has a mechanical issue where the engine revs normally in park but does not accelerate as it should when under load or in drive. Several common ignition and fuel system components have already been replaced, and the seller suspects the fuel pump may be contributing to the issue. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 offers a solid base with several recent updates, while the acceleration problem will require further diagnosis and repair. Number 10. 1997 Isuzu Hombre, price $3,000. It has 99,000 miles and features a white exterior with a gray interior. It is powered by a 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with tinted windows, a fiberglass locking bed cover, Husky all-weather floor mats, a Dash Designs dash cover, frost blocker windshield and mirror covers, and an upgraded Sony Bluetooth stereo with hands-free calling and 4 high-performance speakers. It has received extensive recent maintenance, including front brakes and rotors, KYB front shocks, a water pump, coolant flush, blower motor, battery, upgraded headlights, and other service items. The truck has been regularly maintained with synthetic oil changes every 5,000 miles and hand-washed every 2 weeks. Known issues include a check engine light related to catalyst efficiency, extended cranking when starting hot, a non-functioning fuel gauge, and a recently failed AC compressor that may have warranty coverage.